pleasure to welcome Dan O'Toole, founder and CEO of Arrive AI, to NASDAQ's market site.
What a day, right? What a day. This is our day.
In electric blue, dreams are coded, breaking through. Neon skies, they call my name. A spark of hope, we're not the same. Oh, the pulse, it beats so wild.
This opens all kinds of doors. You can imagine that we're starting just with one route, but we've already been talking today about the other dozens of routes that we could have, and let alone when we think about taking this outside the walls of the hospital, because we have campuses all over this county. How we could make things change is just immeasurable.